Everyone must have kicked or watched a soccer ball before. But have you ever closely observed the patterns on it? Why isn't a soccer ball made of entirely black or entirely white patterns? Why isn't it composed of lines like a basketball? Instead, it is patched together with black pentagons and white hexagons. Could it be purely for aesthetics? In fact, hidden behind this is a master-level deception co-created by mathematicians and designers. Today, we are going to debunk this huge soccer secret that isn't even explicitly explained in middle school math textbooks. First of all, everyone must have seen a bee's home in physics, chemistry, or biology class. Honeycombs are all regular hexagons, right? Because regular hexagons can perfectly tile a flat surface without leaving any gaps, just like the tiles we put on our bathroom floors. Since regular hexagons are so perfect, why don't we just cover a ball entirely with regular hexagons? You can try to imagine it in your mind. If we piece sheets of regular hexagonal paper together, what will happen? You will find that no matter how you piece them, it will always remain a flat, large blanket. It cannot bend at all, nor can it wrap around a sphere. This can be explained using middle school math. We have learned that each interior angle of a regular hexagon is 120 degrees. If we piece 3 regular hexagons together around the same central point, the total angle is 120 multiplied by 3, which equals exactly 360 degrees. What does 360 degrees represent? It represents a perfect plane, since it is flat. There is absolutely no way it can bulge up into a 3D sphere. To make a flat surface curve, we need a combination of shapes around a central point, with a total angle of less than 360 degrees. At this moment, the black regular pentagon steps in to save the day. The interior angle of a regular pentagon is 108 degrees. If we use 2 regular hexagons plus 1 regular pentagon pieced together, the angle at the central point will become 120 plus 120 plus 108, which totals 348 degrees. Can you see it now? 348 degrees is just a tiny bit less than 360 degrees. This small 12-degree gap is the magical key that allows the pattern to fold and expand into a 3-dimensional space through the precise calculations of great mathematicians to form this geometric structure closest to a sphere. A total of 20 white regular hexagons and 12 black regular pentagons are needed. In geometry, this structure has a very cool name, called a truncated icosahedron. Simply put, it means taking a polyhedron with 20 sharp corners and cutting off all of its corners. And have you noticed? For balance, every single black pentagon, it is tightly surrounded by 5 white hexagons. However, hearing this, you might think, wait a minute, a soccer ball is clearly round, but piecing pentagons and hexagons together should produce sharp edges and corners. How does it become round? Exactly, a traditional soccer ball is actually a truncated icosahedron disguised as a sphere. It relies on the inflation and expansion of the latex bladder inside to forcefully push the leather outward, making it look like a perfect sphere. We have all been deceived by its appearance. And with the advancement of modern technology, the World Cup soccer balls nowadays no longer use 32 panels. Scientists use aerodynamics and thermal bonding technology to reduce the number of panels to 14, 8, or even fewer. This makes the soccer ball surface smoother, allowing it to fly more accurately and faster. So next time you are kicking a ball on the field or watching a match broadcast, don't forget that behind this black and white sphere, it actually integrates the wisdom of bees, the formulas of mathematicians, and the fruits of modern engineering. Do you like this kind of mathematical trivia in daily life? Tell me in the comments section which soccer ball designs you like the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.